and welcome back to day 10 of 12 days of digitals. My name is Cara Brandon and thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that when I put up new videos, you'll be notified. Okay, so here are the images for day 10. We have super cute Santas from Julie. Really cute. And I love these little tickets. And then 4 postcards. It's not crazy how Matt paired it up. It just works so well together. It's crazy. And then 4 postcards in my kit. Alright, so I've got them all ready. And I have an idea. Ready to go. So I've inked, I've cut, and I added copy dyed paper on the postcards and then this receipt card. The things right now that I don't have ready to go are these 2 guys. So all of these postcards and receipt are backed with copy dyed paper. And then I have, this is, I got it from Joann's. It was on clearance. It's tulle. You can also get tulle at Dollar Tree. And what I want to do is make shaker pockets. So I'm going to cut, this will be fun to sew around. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so I'm going to cut around. I'm going to have a little bit extra so I have something to kind of hold on to. And I'm stitching. Get these all ready. Oh my gosh, it's already gonna be difficult just to cut it. It'll be fun to sew it. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking, I'm like, I haven't made anything shaker-like. So I thought this would be a fun day to do that. And since they're all similar elements for the most part, same shapes, I thought this would work. So now what I'm going to do off camera is I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and I'm going to stitch 1, 2, 3 of the sides. I'm going to leave the top open so I can put the little sequins and different goodies on the inside. So let me go do that. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did my stitching. Some are better than others. What I'd recommend is do the short end and then go down this way and then go down the other way. Don't try and do all 3 because then things kind of get messed up and askew. Alright, I'm going to trim off a little bit of excess tulle. But I mean, like this one, you could always put a cute embellishment on the top and it would be fine. This one's not so bad. I think once the shaker elements are in there, it'll be cute no matter what. Okay, so those are ready. And then I have my bag of goodies here. Let's see what's in here. I have, oh, these are cute. Little peppermints. I don't know if I'll use those. And little hearts. A whole bunch of snowflakes. And then some white snowflakes. Just a couple of trees. Little snowballs are cute. And this is cute too. Oh, and then we also have this one. All sorts of shaker bits. Okay. So let's see. I think in this one we'll add some of this. This is going to be the messy part. I don't know if I should pinch it in, stick it in this way. Oopsie. Oh, cute. That's cute. And then we'll stitch this in just a second. I think this one needs this one as well. This would also be fun to send in Happy Mail. Oops. There we go. All right, I think Santa, we're gonna put some of the peppermints. Oops. Those are cute. And then let's see what else. This one, want some Christmas trees. Go, maybe put the rest of the Christmas trees in this guy. That's cute. I love the Christmas trees. Okay, what else? One more. With these, I kind of want to do these snowflakes. We add some of this too. That's cute with the stars, super cute. Okay, now I'm gonna go stitch. I'm gonna put these in here. All right, I think I want to add, before I stitch, I'm gonna add a heart in each one. Won't that be cute? Cute. Little red heart. I have no idea where I got these hearts, but they're so cute. Oh my gosh, they're cute. Okay, I'm gonna go stitch. I'll be right back. Can't wait to show you. Okay, they're all sewn. It turned out really cute. Love it. Super cute. There's that one. And then there's this one. This one. That one has a lot of shaker bits. Even this one with the, this one I wasn't sure if it was gonna shake around, but it does a pretty good job with the peppermints. And then this one with the trees. Really cute. And I'm gonna save these for the Use It Up Day. All right, I like my little shaker cards. I think they'll be really fun to kind of tuck in a journal or send to a friend. All right, thanks so much, and come back for, what is it, day 11? 10? Oh my gosh, I'm confused. We'll come back tomorrow. All right, have a crafty day. Bye-bye.